So if you use your computer for anything else than just day-to-day use, for email, for internet browsing, then you come across the odd occasion when you need more ports, and this is when something like this comes in really, really handy, especially if you're somebody like me who has a lot of things plugged into their computer for that creative life that we have. We've got peripherals, we've got hard drives, extra monitors, web cameras, loads of things that I test on a daily basis as well, to be able to plug in straight away, having this on here. And most importantly, having an SD card reader is absolutely essential when you're making any kind of videos online. So this has come in really, really useful over the last few weeks. Now, I'm going to start this video off by saying a massive thank you to Tobenone for being really patient with me. I've had this thing for probably 2 or 3 months now. One reason, I wanted to really test it out to see if it worked and how it coped with my sort of day-to-day working process, and it's done really well. Spoiler alert, this is fantastic. Number 2, I've just very, very short on time. I've got so many projects on the go. We've got lots and lots of products and lots of videos, lots of new stuff coming up over the next few weeks and months. So if you're new to the channel, please do make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. There is just not enough hours in the day. So, company is called Tobenone, and this is the UDSO30 USB docking station for a dual monitor setup, specifically because there's a bunch of ports on here that let you add multiple monitors to your setup, no matter which computer you're using. I'm using this with the Mac Mini, and it's worked flawlessly over the last couple of months. As far as quality goes, the build quality is amazing. It's all metal design, very rugged, and it just looks good on the desk as well. This nice sort of ridged design on the outside. It has some rubber feet on it to stop it sliding around, but I've actually got it lying on its side because that's just sort of how it fits on my desk. I think it looks really good. It's got an LED light on the front to let you know that it's powered up, and that comes in really handy because sometimes you don't know whether they are connected or not. So that's a nice little feature. So the overall design of this, the build quality is really top notch. So on this dock there is a bunch of ports. We've got 3.5mm audio microphone input. We've got a host port, which is the USB-C that plugs from your MacBook or your Mac Mini straight to here, and that sort of sends a signal from the computer to this. We've also got USB-C 3.1 speeds up to 10 gigabytes, USB-A 3.1 speeds up to 10 gigabytes, USB-A 3.0 speeds up to 5 gigabytes, USB-A 2.0 special for wireless devices, so that could be good for plugging in a wireless mouse, for instance. LAN port speeds up to 100 megabits per second, so we've got a really fast internet connection. DC port that connects the 65 watts worth of power to this, so it will power a MacBook all day and keep it charged for you through this USB-C hub as well. That's a key feature. We've got SD card reader and a micro SD card reader, so if you've got action cameras or anything that uses a micro SD, that's really handy. I do a lot of work with Insta360 and GoPro, so that has come in really a clutch feature for me. Then we've got 2 display ports and we've got 2 HDMI ports, so you can actually connect multiple displays to this. 4K 60Hz driver based as well. It's packed full of features, and like I said, I can totally attest to it. I've been using it for a few months and it has just worked flawlessly. For anyone that is looking for extra ports, extra accessibility and extra ways to use your MacBook, you can connect a host of different peripherals and connections and keep everything powered. And obviously it's a powered 65 watt USB-C hub as well, so everything's going to be powered through this hub, and it is just really good, and I really do fully recommend this one in particular. I've come across a bunch of different USB hubs in my time, and this is definitely the one I'm going to be sticking with for the foreseeable future. It's absolutely fantastic. But that's it for this one. Really do fully recommend the Tobenone USB-C docking station for dual monitor setup with your MacBook, and that's it for this one. I shall see you on the next one. Bye guys.